Hi friends, this is a short presentation by AustraliaVisaMigration.com on point-based skill migration process for Australia. Did you know that occupations like human resource, architects, surveyors, project managers, registered nurses, accountants and engineers like mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, civil, etc. and many more are in huge demand in Australia? So, if you have ever dreamt of living in Australia but were not able to proceed further because of lack of information or of any other reason, but now, my friends, your wait is over. Just continue watching this presentation and you will realize your dreams are not far away. It is very important for you to know the process involved in immigration before you proceed further. This will not only give you the required process knowledge, but will also give you the confidence when you hire a migration consultant or plan to do it by yourself. Now in the next few slides, I'll be taking you through the important steps required for skilled migration to Australia. If you plan to go to a migration consultant, they are going to charge you with a lot of dollars as their consultation fees to explain you the process. But today I'm going to give you all this information for free. So continue watching this presentation with me. So, your first step is to identify your core competencies, which will be based on your knowledge, skills and experience. You will have to select and nominate one occupation for the immigration process, and you should select the best or closest occupation to your core competencies. For example, if you have studied mechanical engineering and have worked as a professional mechanical engineer, then your occupation falls under mechanical engineer category. So your suggested occupation should be mechanical engineer or likewise. Once you have identified your occupation based on your core competencies, the second step is to check and make sure that your occupation falls into one of the occupation lists in the demand list of Australia. Every year, Australian government issues a skilled occupation list in the month of July. This list contains all the occupations which have skills in shortage in Australia. Once you have found your occupation in the skilled occupation list, you should now note the assessing authority and occupation code for that occupation. If, in case your occupation is not listed in the SOL, do not worry. Your options are still open. You can look into the CSOL, which is the Consolidated Skilled Occupation List, and consider your options for state sponsorship. So once you have made sure that your occupation is in the list, the next step you have to do is to determine how much you score in the point-based test system. Now, what is this point-based test system? To keep the immigration process competitive, Australian government has designed a point-based immigration system. In this, the applicant is awarded points based on their age, English language ability, and other attributes, as you can see in this slide. You have to do a self-assessment to calculate your points. And you must score sufficient marks to reach the pass marks, which is 60. And not to forget that these pass marks change from time to time. The next step is a very important step in your immigration journey. This is called skills assessment. It is a process in which your skills and education are assessed as per the Australian standards. The assessment is done by the relevant assessing authority as per the occupation chosen by you. Each assessing authority has its own application process. You should appear for IELTS at this stage, which is International English Language Testing System. The test score may be required in your application for skills assessment, or if not, it will be required in the next step. Once you have received a positive skills assessment and you have the IELTS test score ready with you, the next step is filing your EOI. EOI is expression of interest. EOI is the new process introduced by Australian government in July 2012. It is a simple online process where you fill in your details and submit your interest for the migration. If you have received an invitation to apply for a visa, then the last step is to submit all the required documents and fees. This can generally be done online. After you have lodged an application, the Australian government will review your case and allot you a case officer who will then process your case further. This case officer will review your case and will ask for any additional documents if required, along with your police clearance and health checkup report. Once you have provided all the documents, then you will have to wait for a decision to be taken on your application, and if successful, you will be granted an Australian visa. So thanks friends for watching this short presentation. I hope the information provided here will be useful in your journey to Australia. If you have any further questions or want to know more, then please visit our website, which is australiavisamigration.com, and browse through the content. You can contact us through the Contact Us section in our website. Once again, thanks for watching this video and best of luck for your immigration.